Hello and welcome to this video on finding the standard deviation of a frequency table using a Casio FX83 calculator. In this question, we have a table that shows us how a class of students scored in a test. We see there are two rows. On the top row, it gives us the marks, and on the lower row, the number of students that got that mark. So we see, for instance, that 3 students scored 3 marks in the test and 2 students scored 4 marks. To find the standard deviation, first I must ensure that the frequency is turned on in the calculator. This is a setup issue. So I press Shift and Setup. Pressing the down arrow key, I have an option 3, which is to do with statistics. And now I have the choice to turn the frequency on or off. I choose option 1. So now the frequency is turned on. It will remain on in the calculator unless I deliberately turn it off at a later stage. Now I want to enter this data into the calculator. So I'm going to turn the calculator to statistics mode. So mode and option 2 is statistics. In this set of data, the marks is the variable and the number of students is the frequency. So there is only one variable. Option 1 here is for one variable. I choose option 1. And now I can see it's ready for me to enter the data into the table. The X column are the marks, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And the frequency will be 3, 2, 6, 10. So I enter each piece of data. I'll start with the marks, 3, and press equals each time. 4 equals, 5 equals, 6 equals, etc. Now I have my X column written in. I'm going to use the arrow button to now write in the appropriate frequencies. So 3 students got 3 marks. So I write 3 and equals. And 2 students got 4 marks. 6 students got 5 marks. 10 students got 6 marks. No student got 7 marks. 3 students got 8 marks and 1 student got 9 marks. Now when I'm happy that all the data is correctly entered, and I can check this again using the up and down, sideways arrows buttons. When I'm happy that it's all correctly entered, I now press the AC button. Now don't panic, the information hasn't disappeared. Now I see above the button 1, it has stat written in yellow. To activate a yellow button, I press the Shift. So press Shift 1. Standard deviation is a variance question. So option 4 is to do with variance. And the symbol for standard deviation is this symbol here. It's the Greek letter sigma. So I choose option 3 and write equals. And it tells me the standard deviation for this table is 1.523 to 3 decimal places.